To pause search history on YouTube, first of all, open YouTube application. Now simply tap on your profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on the top right corner of the screen and select the option called Manage All History. Now simply tap on Saving Your YouTube History. Here you can see sub settings. Now simply tap on the option called Turn Off. Now you can see a message. Just tap on the option called Pause. That's how you can easily pause search history on YouTube. If you have any question about this video, you can ask in comment section. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.